Good day, everyone. I am Sarah Vera M. Shapir, and again, my geometric model is the Boomson Prism. And now we are in the final video of the project, which is the investigating the left and right cosets of the different subgroups, normal subgroups, and coset groups isomorphic to Z sub n and other known group structures. And if you can remember what we did from the previous videos, we have found that subgroups, we have three subgroups, and in here we're going to investigate what are the left and right cosets. So let's review the table of results first. As we can see here, the table of results show that the identity element is the letter A. It doesn't show a symmetry, but it does show, but it is a group. It form a group structure because the table results shows that it is closed. It is associative when we turn it 180 degrees, and it has an identity element of A and the inverse of each element. Again, how to find the inverse? You just need to find the identity element, and if what is the other side, or what is yung katapat ng letter from here to the other side, that is your inverse. For instance, A inverse is A and B inverse is H. Now, so let's review the subgroups that we have found from the previous videos. So our improper subgroup is just the set or the original set itself. And proper subgroups, we have here 9 proper subgroups. So the first one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H star, and then A and 1, A and 2, and so on and so forth until A and 8. And lastly, for our trivial subgroup, it only includes the identity element. Now, let G is equal to this is for the improper subgroup. Now, take an element not in H, say 1, a reflection symmetry. Let's compute the left and right cosets. So this is the table from the file. So the left coset is here and the right coset is here. So for the 1, we have here A is equal to 11, B is equal to 8 and 1, C is equal to 7, 1. 1 star A is equal to 11, 1 star B is 81, 1 star 3 is C is 71, 1 star D is 61, 1 star E is 51, 1 star F. Okay. Now let's move on to the rotational symmetries. And as we can see here, it also have left and right coset. I won't discuss it furthermore because we have here all the numbers. Now, for the first proper subgroup, it says here in group theory, the coset of a group with respect to itself is always just one coset. Why? Because of all G element of Z and similar to Z is equal to itself. So the only left and right coset of Z sub 1 in Z sub 1 is Z sub 1 itself. Now let's check the other cosets or other subset. We have here C sub 2, A and 1. So the left cosets are A is equal to A and 1, B is equal to B and 2, C is equal to C and 3, D is equal to D and 4, E is equal to E and 5, F is equal to F and 6, G is equal to G and 7, H is equal to H and 8, and we have here right cosets. A is equal to A sub 1, so on and so forth. So that's it for the left and right cosets. Thank you.